Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What a crazy day today. Markets were super volatile. Nifty normally moves around 30-40 points at max on a higher, volatile day. But today the volatility was such that Nifty was making 60-point move in every 15-minute candle. And even during that 15-minute candle, the move was, a couple of times or three times. So it was a super volatile day. Nifty moving 60 points in a 15-minute candle means Bank Nifty moving around 140 to 180 points in 15 minutes. So such was the volatility today. So if we see how our plan worked today, we opened gap down, slightly gap down, but then post 15 minute, this was our level to sell. We met our first target, then market was consolidated for some time, then broke again, met exactly our second target, reverse back to first target, a pullback, then again, and then again a down move. So it was quite a volatile day, a typical expiry. The only thing is short covering came quite late, but post short covering the downfall was so severe. If you see the last half an hour, and the market was just falling, and Bank Nifty was the worst because it had fallen around 300 points in the last half an hour. So it was quite volatile day today. Coming back to Nifty today, tomorrow, if you see this channel I had drawn yesterday, once this line was broken in the first 15 minutes, then the market exactly came to the channel, touched the channel, went up again touched the channel high, and then came back and settled. So we are in a downtrending channel as of right now. Let's see how the levels works out for tomorrow. I would also say, guys, because of the gap ups, gap downs, and the violent moves in the market, I would not recommend anybody to take any kind of in positions overnight, because you never know. The fear in the market is so high that anytime the market can reverse, and the reversal can be of huge point on either side. So uh, it's better that you open your trade post 9:15 every day, take whatever trade you want, close the day with whatever profit and loss, and start afresh as the next day. Taking positions at this point in time is very difficult, and one should avoid right now. Coming back to Nifty's weekly analysis, you can still see we are still consolidating. Tomorrow is the last day of the week, and let's see if we close below this level, which is our recent low of 16,750. In case we go below this, then mayhem for our target of 16,100, and then below. So if we look at Nifty weekly chart, uh, we are still indecisive, but the biasness is towards downside. But let's see how the candle closes tomorrow. I mean, how the market closes tomorrow. This is the third week where the market has been consolidating and is in the range of 16,750 to a high of 17,415. Coming back to daily charts, what you can see over here is Nifty again defended its 200 moving average today. So so we made three consecutive days triple bottom over here on a daily chart, and the low was the same, which is of 16,950 50 60 point. Even today we made the same low and then bounced back a little bit. So on daily chart also, it's in the consolidation zone. This is the mother candle, and these are two candles which is within it. Let's see if we can get a good green candle tomorrow, and then follow up candle breaking this high. So if I have to present you my levels for tomorrow, uh, this is the level, guys. I'll still tell you, whatever happens across the world, till the time there is nothing as such with respect to kind of a natural calamity or a war-like situation, wherein Russia starts a nuclear missile and then the entire world pours in. For India, it is still a kind of a good growing economy, and we are there in the game. So these are the levels for tomorrow. This is going to be my no trading zone. I'm going to buy about this, and on the upper side, I will have my targets as small targets and strict targets. So target one, target two, target three, and if I look it from this perspective, I can have an around 200 points for tomorrow. But it is going to be a very bumpy ride because every time we'll face with multiple resistance. And on the downside, if this level is broken, this is our first target, this is our second target, and in case we break this level, Friday being the last day of the week, and if we close below this, then mayhem. See, with 15 minutes candle, you will not be able to figure out much of it. But let me show you uh, on an hourly chart, things will be pretty clear over there. So if you see in the hourly chart, this is the level below which we are going to sell by target 1, target 2, target 3. These all are resistances, and the downside, once this is broken, this is our first support, this is our second support. As you will notice, if I downsize the chart, this line also is the support over here. This was the resistance once, and then there was a breakout, gap gap up breakout above this, and then we saw this rally. Even today the market has closed exactly at this level, which was once a gap zone. So market do remembers the price even if it's multi months old. So this was 29 July, and today we are at the same level. So we closed at the same level today also. So these two levels most important. So if you see my cursor, this is the level, and over here also this is the level which will act as a support. In case we break below this, then we will go down for these targets, and in case we break this, then there is mayhem, and we will be targeting levels like levels up to this, which is yeah, close to 15,800. Guys, I'll tell you one more thing, is that nobody remembers this day when the market made a recent low of 15,176. The way market was falling, if you see, in 4 days time the market has collapsed around 1200 points, which is Nifty, which is around 7%. Nobody could have imagined. And this is the time where market was in such a scenario that everywhere there was bad news, and it was like last day and the market will collapse completely. But then market started a new journey, and we saw a new close to lifetime high levels. Likewise, same thing is happening today also, wherein all the news that is coming across the world is bad. Even if I have to look at Nasdaq, it had opened pretty bad today, but somehow it has recovered. Okay, let me go to the international market. Okay, so surprise, this was down around 2%, and DJI was down around 200 points, but it was a complete dramatic recovery. And even though the inflation CPI inflation data is below expectations, the inventories and everything, job claims, everything is bad. Market is somehow reacting to it and in a positive manner. So yeah, but I'll still stick to my levels and follow whatever the charts tells me, and I'm going to trade my plan. So this is my plan. I'm going to trade this plan. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Till date, all my channels and levels have worked perfectly fine, and I hope this thing is also helping you guys. I think this is the longest video I've ever created, for almost nine and a half minute. I'm sure this is going to, helping a lot of people. Thank you very much, guys. It was a great day today, and happy trading and investing.